In this video, I want to talk about how you can check the balance of a Shopify gift card. Now, there's a difference between if you're the owner of the store or if you're a customer. So if you're the customer, you want to go to your email and you should be able to check the balance in there. Otherwise, you can get your code on your email, go to the checkout on the store and try and apply the code and see what balance it gives you. Now, if you cannot do any of those, you can try and go to the store and try and contact the owner. If you scroll down to the bottom, usually there will be an email or something, and try and contact the owner and they can tell you it. Now, if you're the owner of the store, what you should do is head over to products, click on gift cards, and then you will be able to see all of the gift cards that you've made in here, and you can see the balance of them. So if the customer gives you their gift card code, you can just search for it and you will be able to see how much balance is on there. So these are the ways that you can do this for a customer and for the store owner. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.